Bible. Bad Bitch Bible.
Hi, Blythe.
Hi!
Welcome to the Bad Bitch Bible.
Hello! Hello po!
You are so fresh, but
Thank
also I
you.
noticed your lip or your tongue piercing.
Oh my God.
That's the first thing I saw. I was like, is that what I think it is? It's like she's such a soft girl,
alam mo
ah.
kanina, while I was doing my makeup, I had the feeling na this will be...
Siyempre kasi parang soft girl tapos baddie.
No,
The
actually,
baddies-
kasi parang I woke up, tapos sabi ko, parang I wanna be a soft girl today, and then later, I won't be, kasi
Oo.
may pupunta ng party. Anyway, so yeah, I do have a tongue piercing.
Yes.
Sabi ko na ito na yung moment na aminin ko
I
siya.
mean, it's obvious though.
I
If
know.
I'm
No, kasi
parang ganito.
Actually, I didn't expect that it was that important for other people kasi may nag-interview sa akin na press
Okay.
people pa talaga. Tapos yun yung tanong nila sa akin. Tapos parang naisip ko, like, is it that important na kailangan siya tanongin?
Yes.
Tapos sabi ko lang,
It's more for me like
sabi
change
ko,
look eh.
guni-guni nyo lang yun. Like, imagination nyo lang yun. Wala kayong, di yan totoo, di nyo nakikita. But yes, I have a tongue piercing. I did it for a role.
Okay. Oh my God.
Yeah.
For real.
Yes, I
You're
did it for a
brave.
role, like a couple of days before shooting or like a week before shooting, and hindi ko na siya tinanggal kasi sayang naman yung the healing process
Yes.
was like hell. So hindi ko na siya tinanggal.
And honestly, vibes naman siya.
Thanks.
I was just shocked because I was like, wow, she's so soft and everything. Even when you hear her voice, it's like baby girl. And then when I saw her tongue, I was like, hello?
I have a lot of piercings actually. I have a lot of piercings and tattoos.
Okay.
Sometimes my style doesn't align with my personality. Sometimes my personality doesn't align with my style. It depends on the day.
I love that for you.
Thanks.
I love that. Wait, so how do you identify yourself as ba? Are you straight? Are you a she, her, they, them?
I'm
Are you
a Hershey.
Hershey?
Chocolate. Yes, I'm a she, her.
Okay. Are you straight?
Ito yung first time din na tinanong ako niya.
Kasi for me, okay, me and my sister have this joke na we assume everyone's gay until proven straight.
No, I think
Parang everyone has a 5% gayness. You know what I mean?
lahat na lalaki are gay.
Lahat na.
I-
Sorry,
I-
Rafa.
Sorry. Like minsan iniisip ko na parang, I think all men are gay.
A little bit.
A little bit.
And that's okay.
Ah!
A little bit.
Like a little bit.
But
Sometimes they like their friends more than their girlfriends. So, like, isn't that gay?
a little bit.
Mas gusto nila yung friends sila.
Their
yung
barkada.
mas hinihingi nila yung validation and approval ng mga barkada nilang boys kaysa sa girlfriend nila. So,
Isn't that
is
a
so
little gay? No, you know what I find a little gay and silly is when they're fixing their own IG dumps. And then they
Oh,
ask a
I
girlfriend to
get
take their
that.
photo
I get
and then they
that.
choose their music.
Kapag sobrang... May tawag kami ng friends ko dyan eh.
Natawag.
Nakalimutan ko yung tawag dyan eh. Pero meron kasi kami mga gano'n na parang sobrang ganda nila sa
Yeah.
Instagram.
Or like the performative male energy. I don't like that.
Yes.
So, okay. I think din kasi everyone has only seen you in very like straight heteronormative situations. But I was thinking to
Yeah.
myself on my way here, and then after seeing your tongue piercing, I was like, I feel like
Am
she
I
would be
gay?
no, like I was just thinking you'd be bagay for Walla Walla, WLW. Do you know that? Women on
Women
yeah.
love women.
Yeah.
Tama ba yun? Kasi,
Oo.
okay. Lagi ko nakikita yung hashtag na yun, tapos lagi ko lang hinuhulaan.
Yeah.
So, tama. Women love
Love women,
women.
yes.
Yung meaning. Like, kung bagay ako sa
Feeling
role
ko.
na yun,
Feeling ko,
I'd be down.
feeling ko madadala mo eh.
I'd be down. I'd be
Diba?
so down. And, honestly, konti lang yung gumagawa nun. Mas madaming BL. Here
Yes.
sa Philippines.
Mm-mm.
Mas may spotlight ang mga boys on boys kaysa girls. Parang
Yes.
in first time ko, correct me if I'm wrong, first time, hindi naman siguro to first time, pero for me, first time
Oo.
kong nakakita ng movie about lesbians. Yung kay,
Clea?
yes.
Yeah.
First time ko, hindi ko alam,
Yeah.
I'm sure mayroon ng iba, pero like parang yun yung pinaka-mainstream.
Yes.
At kumuha sila ng parang mas sikat na actors.
Janela, ganon.
Yun, yung
So,
mga
I think-
mainstream actors yung kinuha
Yeah.
nila. Parang, I'm sure madami ng indie films about
Yes.
lesbo love, pero ito yung first time na kumuha nga sila ng mga bigkating artista.
Yeah, and I feel like, I don't know what era you're in, so I'm gonna explore that later, but I feel like, wala lang, mature roles ka na eh, so kaya mo na rin yan.
Yeah. Honestly, every time na bababanggit yung mature roles, yung mga nafe-feel ko sa mga mature roles, hindi ko din alam sasagutin kasi hindi naman sa I'm trying sa mature era or like whatever, kundi parang I'm just growing.
And you're exploring.
I'm exploring. Tumatanda na din ako. Not old.
Yeah,
I'm still very young, but I'm there. Like, I'm growing na. Kasi kilala nila ako na child star. Papanood nila ako since I was like 7 or 8.
yes. Wait, how old are you now?
22.
Damn.
More than half of my life.
Yes, you've been working.
Yes.
Wait, so what are your star rising moon?
I love this
Do you
question.
share?
Yes. Kasi before, I had a phase.
Yeah.
Inaral ko talaga astrology.
Wow.
Meron akong mga anong tawag ulit sa kanila?
The tarot
Mga
cards,
gems?
the crystals.
Meron ako isang buong table ng mga crystals. Tapos nagta-tarot din ako.
Okay.
So I had that phase.
Yeah.
Ang big 6 ko na lang.
Yes.
My
Wow, not just big 3,
yeah,
big 6 talaga.
my rising is
Okay.
Scorpio.
Kaya
madami nag-iisip na maldita ako. Or like,
Yeah.
I'm very intimidating. Like, meron akong
strong.
dark aura at first.
Yes.
But my sun is Pisces.
Okay.
So like, if you get to know me, I'm a sweetheart.
Very soft.
Very lala.
Yeah.
Tapos, ang moon ko is Cancer.
Oh.
So, I'm a triple water sign.
Yes.
That's why I'm crazy and emotional.
I don't know anyone else who is that. At least
Who's
among
a
my friend
triple
group. Yeah.
water sign. And then, ang Venus ko is Aquarius.
Okay, that's where we're the same.
Aquarius
Venus is also, yeah.
Okay.
Interesting.
Magchikan tayo
compatible,
about
yeah.
love.
Yes.
Baka madami tayong
Chika about that.
dami tayong similarities sa love kasi same yung Venus natin.
Mm-mm.
Ang Mars ko is Capricorn, kaya sobrang
Okay.
hardworking ko, competitive ako, serious ako,
Very
ako
rigid.
sa craft ko. And ano pa yung sa Mercury ko is Pisces. That's why
Okay.
I'm also very talkative. Alam mo ba yung sidereal chart?
No. Tell me.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right,
What
but
is that?
ano to ha, yung face ko na to years ago, so correct me na lang if mali ako. Pero, so, meron tayong Western chart.
Yes.
Yun yung alam natin lahat. Yun yung birthday
Yes.
natin. So, I am March 12, so I'm a Pisces.
Okay.
Sabi sa science,
Which is?
ang sidereal chart is like yung real stars. Kasi the real stars, the stars that we're seeing right now, patay na sila.
They are dead.
Light years
Ago,
something
yeah.
something, parang ganon. So ang sidereal chart is nakarely sa totoong stars.
The current alive ones.
Oo, yung buhay.
Okay.
Hindi yung stars natin here. Sobrang pangit na explanation ko, okay? Sorry. But so technically baliktad.
Yes.
So kunyari Pisces ako, Aquarius talaga ako.
I see. And that's
Ikaw
not like your
ay-
moon. I'm a Leo.
You're a Leo, so you're a Cancer. Parang
Ha!
ganon. So, parang sobrang on-off ko talaga.
Yes.
Go big or go home ako. Wala akong in-between kasi
Yes.
ang triple ko is water.
All.
So, the opposite of that is triple air.
Yes.
So, it's either I care so much or I don't
Also,
care
not
at
at all. And you're also quick, no? To like shift between whatever you super
Yeah.
like. It's like you're all or nothing, ride or die.
Yeah, kasi ang baliktad ng Pisces is Aquarius.
Mm-mm.
So, yung rising ko is Libra. That's why may girly,
Side
mahilig
also
ako sa
soft.
makeup. Tapos, yung moon ko is Gemini ba? Basta meron akong Aquarius,
Yes.
Gemini, and Libra.
It's interesting. I need to look into that.
Yan siya. So, wala lang, the more you know.
No? Yeah, the more I know, the less I know. Parang ganun. Parang the more I know, mas
That's
nagugulan
true.
pa din ako.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask about your upbringing. Kasi parang you've been working since you're 7 or 8. Right?
So, I started auditioning when I was 3 or 4.
Okay, VTRs.
Yes, and I stopped kasi shy akong tao talaga.
Okay.
And then my
But wait,
mom,
did your mom get you into it?
yes, It was
Okay.
my mom. It's my mom's dream to
For
become a
you.
star. And that time,
Wait, sorry. Dream for herself that
For
she imposed
herself.
on you?
yes.
Okay. There.
So, yung mom ko,
Yeah.
pangarap niya talaga maging artista. Pero nung time na yon
Anti-Morena. Yeah.
kinda. Tapos, maliit pa si mommy.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
di pa, yung parang standard nun, matangkad,
The beauty
maputi, parang
era.
ganyan, kailangan,
Like very
blah,
mestiza.
blah, blah. So, hindi siya parang nag-succeed dun sa dream niya. So, nung buntis siya sa akin, pinagdadasal niya na, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng star. Yun talaga yung
That's so good.
yung prayers niya noong
Mm-mm.
time na yun. Tapos kasi, parang nalaman niya na when you pray about something, you have to be specific. So, pinagdasal niya
She
talaga na maging,
manifested.
maging artista ako, maging kulot ako, maging blah, blah,
Pati
blah,
yung
blah, blah,
kulot?
everything. Yeah, and naging kulot nga ako. I just,
Wow.
nasira ko yung hair ko eh.
Oo, but kulot ka
Kulot
when
ako,
you're born.
yes. So, nung
And you're fair. Also, you're fair-skinned, you're lightish.
nung pinanganak ako, ngayon, it depends.
Yeah, under the sun.
Sometimes I'm morena, sometimes I'm not. Napapansin niyo na fans ko.
Yes. And that's okay.
Yeah, hindi ko din alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Hindi ko siya
Eh,
ginagawa intentionally.
Yes. No, wait. You know, sometimes, like, there's a video I posted where I said, you know, as a Morena, and I said something like that, and I was talking about makeup. Somebody dragged me talaga kasi sabi,
Really?
you're not Morena.
You're not morena daw.
Okay, I didn't know there's the Morena police. Diba, bawal pumuti. Kasi
Pero
you
at
go to the
least
beach.
meron ng attention sa
Oo.
mga morenas
Yes.
ngayon. Kasi dati, like,
Yeah, so for your mom.
kailangan talaga maputi ka.
Yeah.
Hindi ako ganun kaputi. Pero there was
Okay.
a time talagang binibleach yung skin ko.
Huh?
And I was really young. Kasi ngayon yung standard.
Standard, yeah.
So, medyo hindi ko din
Bleach,
alam.
not Kojic soap or what, like peeling. Damn.
Yeah. I was really young that time.
Okay.
So, anyway, pinanganak ako, naging artista ako. 3 to 4 yata, nag-start ako mag-audition and then na-realize ng mom ko na baka this isn't for me.
Because you're
Na
shy.
parang- Na-realize niya na parang pinush ko lang yata yung pangarap ko sa anak ko. After my first audition na sobrang olats, na-realize ni mama, parang no.
Okay, but to be fair, so many girls do like 100 castings, get one. You know what I mean? Like, there's some girls who go through that. Parang they do 100 castings and then only get one commercial.
Ginagawa
So,
ko yun.
yeah.
So, 3 to 4, yun nga. Nag-audition ako twice for Jezebel and Marimar.
yeah.
Jezebel, my mom was so funny.
Yeah.
Dinala niya ako sa Jezebel. At that time, I've never seen a pool in real life. That was the first time na nakakita ko ng pool, na nag-swimsuit ako. And
Yeah.
then they asked me, marunong ka ba lumangoy? Obviously,
Hindi. Yeah.
Parang nakita ko lang tuloy lahat na nag-audition. Tapos parang nasa utak ko lang nun, kasi quiet ako na bata.
Mm-mm.
Parang nasa utak ko lang nun, bakit ako dadalhin ng nanay ko dito?
Shit.
First time ko nga lang makakita ng pool. Anyway, after nun, I think Marimar.
Mm-mm.
And at that time, hindi ko pa kaya magsalita masyado sa mga taong hindi ko kilala. Tahimik talaga kasi akong bata before. So, nung pauwi na, sorry, medyo
Gary lang,
ako
go.
magkwento kaya pala ako sa mama doon kasi mama ko binabribe niya ako
Na?
ng Bratz doll.
Yes.
Favorite
That
ko
was
kasi
the
ang
best
Bratz
bribe.
doll. Sabi niya, bibilhan kita nito basta sumama ka sa audition. Okay po, mama. Tapos nandun na ako. Nakita ko pa si Marimar noon. Nakita ko din si Ding Dong noon.
Mm-mm.
Sinatanong na ako ng director ng lines ko, anong pangalan ko. Hindi ako makapagsalita.
You're just frozen.
Yeah, nakaganon lang ako. Tapos dinala ako ni mama sa CR. Sabi niya lang, wait lang po Dinala niya ako sa CR and my mom was shaking me.
Yeah.
Magsalita ka.
Please. Please.
Tapos wala talaga nangyari.
Mhm.
So, naglakad na kami, pauwi, naghanap ng taxi. Tapos feel ko yung disappointment kay mama. Tapos
Okay.
tinanong ko lang siya, may manika pa ba ako? So, after nun, parang nag-stop na si mama.
No forcing na.
Oo. And then, yung tita ko yata, may nahanap na, anong tawag doon? Leaflet.
Yeah,
ba?
leaflet. Yeah, pamphlet or something.
Mga ganon. Ng beauty contest for kids.
Okay.
Then at that time, nagka-accident yung kuya ko.
Mm-hmm.
So,
I
sumali
didn't know
doon
you have a
ako.
brother.
Yes, I have a brother, isa lang.
Okay.
We're 4 girls, 1 boy.
Okay.
So, sumali ako doon. May sakit yung ate ko noon. Na-accident yung brother ko noon. Sumali ako, and then, yung money na nakuha ko doon, I used it for them sa surgery nila. And then at that time, I was 6.
So young.
Yeah, 6 to 7.
Mm-mm.
Doon ako nag-birthday sa mismong, nung nagpa-pageant kami something. And then, di ko kasi alam na may big winner. Akala ko like lahat kami big winner. Di ko alam na may first runner-up,
Or
second,
prizes.
third, or
Did you
mga
understand
ganon.
that concept? Not yet.
Not yet. Alam ko lang may crown ako. At alam ko parang may prize money or something. Di ko nga alam kung magkano yung nakuha ko noon. Basta alam ko
Okay.
nakatulong ako.
Yeah.
So, yung confidence ko
Parang
that
went
day
up.
went up. So, at saka that time, ako pa yung matangkad. Di pa ako na iilawan nun
Were you
eh. Di
trying
pa ako
to-
napupuyat nun eh. So, matangkad pa ako nun eh. So, ako yung nasa harap.
Wow.
Ito yung big winner. So, like, medyo pahayit
Yeah.
kami. So, akala ko talaga, ako yung big winner. So, nung araw na yon, sobrang confident ko. Ako na nagsabi sa mama ko na mag-audition tayo ulit.
I see.
So, ako na parang nagsabi kay mama, then nag-start ako mag-audition pa extra lang ako, yung naglalakad-lakad lang sa gilid. And then, lagi ako nag-audition sa mga commercials. Hindi ako nakukuha. Isa lang yata, dalawa lang nakuha akong
Yeah.
commercial ever.
And that's normal. If you're starting in the industry, parang you're lucky if you can get that one or two.
Yes,
So-
mahirap sa commercials talaga.
No, but because diba, it was first your mom's dream and then parang you started to understand, oh, is this something I like na, ganon. Did you ever resent your mom for making you do that? Or parang did you ever feel like, oh, I'm feeling so forced right now? You know?
Sila na inaano sa hair ko. Nagkaroon ako ng...
Syempre, or I don't know, I think it's a normal thought eh.
Well, madami kasi kami naging away ng mom ko.
Mm-hmm.
Napag-awayan na din namin yan. Like,
Okay.
nasabi ko, ikaw naman may gusto nito in the first place. And di siya resentment nga actually.
Mhm.
Mas napapaisip pa ako. Ang lalim kasi ng resentment at mahirap
Yes.
kasi magkaroon ng resentment sa family member, especially if it's your mom.
And it comes from love
Yeah.
also.
So, madalas ko lang isipin na if hindi ito yung na-input ni mama sa utak ko, saan ako, anong gusto ko.
Or what would you be? Who would you be?
Ano ba ako? May times kasi, madami kaming heart-to-heart talk ni mama na ayoko na.
Mm-hmm.
Pero tinutuloy ko pa rin kasi ito lang yung alam kong gawin.
Mm-hmm.
Ito yung buong buhay kong alam kong ito yung gusto ko. Pero ayoko na. Pero anong gagawin ko?
Lucky beauty. Check.
kaya din
nabuo
ako may
yun.
Lucky Beauty. So, isa sa mga earliest memories ko
Mhm.
is kikay talaga ako.
Yes.
Mahilig ako sa makeup. Lalo na kasi bunso ako, lagi akong naiiwan talaga sa bahay. Mag-isa.
Okay.
Lahat sila may kanya-kanyang buhay. Nasa school, nasa work, ako lang mag-isa lagi. At ang nagpalaki sa akin si Sharpay.
Yes.
High School Musical, Sharpay, Hannah Montana. Tapos feel ko naman,
Disney icons.
Hindi din talaga si mama yung
Mm-hmm.
nag-input sa ulo ko na maging artista kasi I didn't grew up with my mom.
Okay.
I grew up with my grandparents.
Okay. So you're locking Lola, locking Lolo.
Yes,
Yeah.
I am a lolas and lolos
Okay.
girl. Sa kanila ako lumaki, napag-iiwanan ako lagi, mag-isa sa room, at ang ginagawa ko is nag-play dress up ako lagi.
Mm-hmm.
Mag-acting ako mag-isa.
Mhm.
Kontrabida, bida.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Ikaw na lahat.
magko-concert ako
Mm-mm.
sa harapan ng electric
Or
fan.
like
kasi
with
nga
the
Hannah
stuffed
Montana,
toys.
Mga ganun,
Yeah.
ganun yung childhood ko talaga. Tapos mahilig ako sa makeup kasi yung ate ko, so meron akong eldest sister, bunso. Kaming dalawa yung lumaki sa grandparents. Yung dalawa sa dad and mom ko. Kasi
Okay.
yung eldest sister ko is my half-sister.
Okay.
So, hindi siya kasama dun sa daddy and mommy ko.
Mhm.
So, kami yung magkasama, mahilig siya sa makeup.
Mm.
So, lumaki ako mahilig din sa makeup kasi lagi ko nakikita yung sister ko
Yes.
na maraming makeup. So, tapos meron din kaming tindahan.
Mhm.
So, sa tindahan ako yung minsan nandun. Tapos nakiki-epal lang ako na, ano pong gusto niyo? Ano pong bibilhin ninyo? Tapos nag-aayos ako para sa mga customers namin. Kikay
Main
na ako
character
ever
already.
since. Ever since. Lahat ng pictures ko, nakaganyan ako. gusto ko kapag nagsumasayaw ako, may nanonood sa akin. Pero first dream ko, maging pop star.
Okay. Yeah. Because of Hannah Montana and all of those things, you think?
Yeah.
Because of media. So yeah, I don't think then that your mom, because I think it was in you and then maybe your mom saw potential.
Feeling
She was
ko,
just like,
hindi din kasi tinry niya with my sister.
Ah.
Oh, yeah. Tinry niya with my sister, the eldest sister.
hindi nag-work.
Ayaw niya kasi suplada siya eh. Siya yung pinakamaldita sa amin eh. Hindi lang angkop siguro sa ugali ni ate mag-artista. And that's fine. Hindi naman sa sinasabi ko masama ugali niya. It's
But,
just,
I mean, your sister
yun
say.
yung ayaw, yun yung gusto niya eh.
Yes.
At saka kapag siya yung naging artista, Diyos ko, papatulan niya lahat ng basher siguro. Lagot kayo sa kanya. Yung pangalawang sister ko naman, at that time, she was chubby.
Okay, you know how Pinoys are naman.
Yeah. So, siya yung may pinaka gusto maging artista. Siya
I
yung
see.
parang game mag-audition.
Oh, more than you. But,
Yeah. Parang hindi nga talaga ako eh. Ate ko, kuya ko, sila yung mga game.
yes.
Tapos nung hindi nag-work, I think tinry ni mama with me.
And
Kasi
it
yung
clicked.
personality ko naman is ganon. Mahilig
Yeah.
akong bida-bida ako simula bata pa ako. So pag binabash ako na bida-bida ako,
And what about
ever
it?
since I was 3 years old, bida-bida na po ako. So tinry ni mama, and then eto ako ngayon.
Yeah. Thriving, rich.
Artista ako ngayon. Siguro ano lang, baka destiny na lang din
Yeah.
talaga.
Maybe it's in your cards. But I feel though, I mean, you have Lucky Beauty, you have all these things going for you anyway. But did you go to school? I don't know, were you homeschooled? Or were you normal?
So, nag-homeschool lang ako nung high school.
Okay.
Pero, yung nursery, lahat yun nagawa ko. I mean, of
Mm-mm.
course.
Yes.
Tapos, nag-homeschool lang ako na high
High
school.
school na. Okay.
Pero nagkaroon naman ako ng konting normal school life.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Di pa rin same. Hindi
Yes.
talaga completely normal. Pero na-experience ko naman siya somehow. Nakasama ako sa pep squad sa school.
Okay.
Nakapag-field trip naman ako. I never experienced prom though.
Okay.
Pero nagkaroon ng prom Star Magic before. So that was
Yes.
the closest
Mm-hmm.
prom experience I ever had.
At least there's that.
Tapos, yun lang.
Okay. But I feel like you still had a lot of normal childhood experiences, no? Kahit you're under the spotlight, or do you feel like you missed out pa rin? Parang, are there times na you're longing na, oh shit, I wish I experienced this? Or like, did you
Yes.
compare yourself to other kids na, oh, like, they don't have to work? Or, you know what I mean?
Yes, that happened to me 13 to 15.
Okay.
I think. Tarang sobra akong na-FOMO. Kasi, mas madami akong non-showbiz friends.
Interesting.
At that time, I had like a lot of nepo baby friends. Anak ng artista, mga ganyan.
Mhm.
Tapos, hindi naman actually. I had a nepo baby friend.
Okay.
Tapos madami siyang friends na naging friends ko. Tapos lahat sila nasa school. Nasa all-girls school sila. Na friends nila mga all-boys school.
Mhm.
So, nasa GC ako ng mga students.
And
Tas
you're
ako
not a
lang yung
student.
artista at ako lang yung breadwinner. Tapos lahat sila rich kids. So, damang-dama ko pero sobra ko struggle ng time na yon talaga na parang, bakit ang unfair? Bakit
Mhm.
ako yung kailangan ko mag-work hours and hours, maghirap, tapos sila,
Wait.
pinanganak lang silang ganun.
At that time too, taping before was longer than it is now. Before they had the COVID rules, remember it was like crazy. Like you would tape 20
Kaya nga
hours,
ako
right?
maliit. Kaya po ako maliit.
So that said, gets why you would feel that way then, because the work-life balance.
Yeah, and it was never na parang may misconception kasi na I'm insecure and
Mm-mm.
jealous ako. May ganun kasing
Sino nagsabi?
there was one time na parang I expressed na nasaktan ako kasi merong isang parang may interview. Di ko alam kung
Okay.
paano ko siya sinabi kasi. Di ko na maalala. Pero there was an interview. Tapos parang I expressed lang na it hurts na sometimes may mga mas bagong artista tapos sila pa yung mauunang sumikat kahit ang
Mhm.
tagal ko ng artista.
Okay, but that's a valid feeling
Yun
though.
din kasi, parang imagine, I've been working since I was 6, 7. And then biglang, poof, new face. Tapos yun, it was never because I was jealous of her. Na I feel like ako dapat tong sumikat.
It
na,
has nothing to
it
do with
has
them.
nothing to do with that. It's just, it's life. It hurts.
Yeah.
Masakit talaga siya. And yun din yung nararamdaman ko with those kids that I was hanging out before na parang,
Nepo babies.
hindi, isa lang yun actually.
Okay, isang nepo baby
isa lang
lang.
siya.
But
Tapos,
her friend group.
Tapos, na ano lang ako, na pressure ako, na gusto ko mag-aral.
Yeah.
Gusto ko din mag-aral sa school nila.
Or like have the same problems that they have, you know? Like, na parang all they worry about is a quiz next week and then their parents give them baon to watch a movie. Like, you're fully trying to pack for your shoot tomorrow, working, memorizing your lines, and then you have choreography for what,
Tapos
like
sila
on Sunday?
nakaka-party sila.
Yes.
Nagagawa nila lahat ng to. Tapos, I can't. And, wait lang, ngayon ko lang din pinag-usapan yung interview na yan. Gusto ko lang siya balikan.
Go lang.
Nung sabi
Hindi
na
ko kasi yun
insecure
alam.
ako.
Free zone naman
it's
to
okay. Yung parang tinawag nilang selfish din ako kasi gusto ko like ako yung sumikat and everything. Hindi talaga.
They twisted your words naman
Like
over.
hindi ako madamot. Alam ko na kapag meant for you. And I'm so happy with the timeline of my life. Especially din nung time na yon na talagang umiiyak talaga ako na gusto ko din mag-aral sa school na yan. Kaya ko naman kasi I'm working.
Yeah,
Kaya
you can
ko yun.
technically afford it.
Pero
yeah.
if I do that, how about my family? Kasi nga, they are all relying
On you.
on me. So, namili ako yung priorities ko. Like, ang dami ko lang hinanakit nung time na yon. Pero ngayon, lahat masasabi ko worth it. And sa mga tao din siguro na nagko-compare sa buhay ko ngayon, sa buhay ng iba, promise, wait ka lang. May kanya-kanya talaga tayong storyline. And alam mo, yung mga hinanakit ko dati na bakit hindi ko kaya mag-aral sa ganitong school, bakit hindi ko din kaya pumarty, bakit hindi ko din pwede gawin to, ganyan-ganyan. Sobra ko nag-trabaho. I worked really hard.
Yes.
And ngayon, kaya ko na siya gawin.
You can say no to work.
Kaya
you
ko
can say no
kaya
to...
ko nang nagpa-party na ako.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. May friends na ako, may life ako
Yes.
outside of showbiz. So sa mga nagtatrabaho at feeling nila na hindi sila napapansin, na hindi worth it yung paghihirap na ginagawa nila kasi may bago naman nasisikat or like may bago na napopromote
Yeah.
sa mga students na grabe naman mag-aral pero bakit ito hindi siya
Yeah.
nag-review? Bakit siya yung
Perfect.
perfect
Yeah.
score? Promise, may reward lahat ng paghihirap natin. Hindi lang natin siya may kita ngayon, pero aabot, mabibiyayaan ka talaga ng Diyos.
Yeah.
God is really so good. And I'm really, masasabi kong worth it lahat ng,
Napagdaanan mo.
ng mga questions ko before.
No, I think that's so real because even for me, I didn't start working as young as you. I started working like I was 15 na. But parang behind the scenes. I was more in publications, like agency work, parang offices and things like that. And then parang kasi, when I went to Ateneo, all those kids are rich, right? Like, all those kids. So, they go, let's say for me at that age, syempre I was working because my family's more westernized. So, imagine all those kids are rich, right? And I was working and everything. And I used to compare myself all the time. Like, damn, they don't have to go and work after school. I was doing both at the same time and thinking to myself, wow, they have it good. They don't know they have it good. And then, you know, when they complain about such small problems, I'm like, fuck you. Like, I have so much more to think about. No?
Pero kasi, naisip ko din yun lahat. Pero, yun, dun din kasi sila lumaki.
Yes,
So, yung
exactly.
small problems sila,
It's big
Or-
to them.
our
Yeah.
big problems. Kasi, and it's not their fault then.
Yes.
Pero, I'm sure if tayo din yung nasa shoes nila, yun din yung mararamdaman
Exactly.
natin eh.
So it's really like the cards were dealt, no? Parang to each their own. We all have our different story, but you can't blame someone for the life they have. And like,
Yeah.
the grass is always greener on the other side, no? Yun lang yun.
Basta, ano lang, lahat naging worth it and wala din naman ang babaguhin.
I love that for
Honestly,
you.
happy ako.
Oh Okay.
Sa lahat na naging struggles ko. And at when I was there, going through it, I
Mm-mm.
was not happy at all. I swear, I was like, sometimes, there was a time na parang I bashed my head sa
Mhm.
sa wall kasi parang I was just so frustrated na
Yeah.
I just want this life. Pero I'm here, I'm stuck here.
And it feels so shackling.
Yeah, and yun nga, kaya mas nainis ako na sinasabi nila, I'm insecure and selfish ako kasi gusto ko kunin yung opportunities ng ibang tao. Hindi
Not it.
Yung hatred ko, not them. It was more on me.
Exactly.
And at that time to, like, Papa God, parang why? Kasi,
Why?
why so hard? Why not this?
Why like this? Why not like this?
Why, oh why? And I was young.
And you didn't understand these things pa. So,
Yes.
carry lang naman. I wanted to ask, because you've been under the, public eye for so long, you're also like sexualized at such a young age.
Very much.
Like, it's not normal kaya for people to comment on kids' bodies, you know?
It is not, but
Like,
it's normalized here
here.
in the Philippines.
Like, I remember seeing, syempre, I've seen you for so long. I remember when you were like in your teens, like not even legal yet, and people were like, ang sexy niya. Like, people commented on Facebook.
alam mo ba,
Like, publicly, no? It's like,
that is
hello?
very true. So, I also have this misconception
Mm-mm.
na pasexy ako.
Mm-mm.
Ngayon, pasexy na ako, like, nag-calendar girl ako. Pero ang dami mga nagko-comment na ganyan naman na siya ever since.
Whoa.
But, eto kasi, hindi ko alam, pero if you stalk me,
Mm-mm.
like, thoroughly stalk me sa socials ko, wala akong sexy posts. Never pa ako nag-post sa bikini ko. If meron man, I think may isa, tas malayo, tapos madilim.
Or parang top lang. Or parang half ba?
No din.
Really?
No din. May TikTok ako sa jet ski. Nakabikini ako. Well,
Yeah.
obviously, nasa jet ski ako. Alangan naman mag-pants and shirt
Exactly.
ako, right?
Maka-jeans.
Pero like, I never post anything na sexy intentionally na parang, may kita mo naman kapag nagpapasexy yung tao. Like, wala akong ganun. I also don't have thirst traps na yung nagtutwerk ako.
Mm-mm.
Wala akong ganyan. There's nothing wrong with that. Pero ang sinasabi ko
Yeah.
is, I have this misconception na pasexy ako. Kasi when older people talk to me, ikaw kasi yung mga sayo-sayo mo sa TikTok, mga ganyan. Kaya
Sexy.
I don't have sexy dances on TikTok. I have dances na may sexy steps. Pero I never joined yung mga water.
Challenge. Yeah.
Like, I don't.
Yes.
Pero I have that image of them in their heads na may ganun akong stigma na talagang
Because
pasexy ako.
that's what they portray you to be.
Kasi I have boobs.
And is that
I'm
wrong?
curvy.
Is that wrong?
Parang yun yung naisip ko kasi I'm curvy and compared to my peers, I think
Yes.
yung body ko
Development.
siguro yung parang naiba siya, ganyan.
Okay, but like, so me kasi, I started wearing a bra, parang grade 3 pa lang ako eh. Alam mo yun? Parang I was like, what, 10? No, 8 years old. Parang nagkaka-boobs na ako. Training bra pa lang naman. But like, people were so weird about it. I remember like, people telling my mom that I should be more covered up. Grade 3 pa lang. Because they were like, you don't know how people are. Blah, blah, blah. But it has nothing to do. I'm just in my school uniform and people are already talking about your body. So what more, you on a public eye and people are commenting like, ay, yung sexy niya at such a young age. It's like wrong, actually.
Yun nga, tsaka yung ibang, ewan ko talaga, kami ng best friend ko, may time kasi na masubadera si Bea.
Well, she had her thirst trap era kaya.
Yun nga.
Gift ko sa kanya yun.
Yun nga. I never had that
Yeah.
talaga. Kailan lang ako nag-start? Intentional yung pag-start ko ng parang medyo nagiging sexy na yung image ko nung nag-ABS-CBN ball ako. Naka-suit ako na white, tapos low cut.
Yeah.
Tapos,
With the Bulgari from Heart.
yes.
And that look.
pero never talaga ako nagdamit na ma-cleavage.
Hey, you know what?
Meron lang akong boobs.
Yeah, you know what? How come because I also have big boobs. And whenever I wear a low cut top, even if I'm not trying to be sexy, people are like, ang laswa mo tignan. They're like that.
Exactly. So,
Like
so
that.
ayun siya. So, parang naiinis ako, lalo na sa mga boomers na paulit-ulit sa akin na tingin nila ang landi-landi ko na kasi ma-makeup ako, tapos ganito.
So,
Parang, teko, titignan nyo talaga. Wala akong masyadong,
Yeah.
wala akong thirst trap. Wala talaga. Maganda lang ako.
Sexy ka lang.
Sexy lang ako. May
Without
sex appeal
trying.
lang ako.
And that's
it's
okay.
not my fault. Pero now, yes.
Okay.
ina-enter ko siya, intentional na siya ngayon. Parang buong life ko, sinexualize niyo ako. Tapos ngayon na nagiging sexy ako, you guys aren't comfortable
Yeah.
with it. So, that's your problem, not mine.
And you're also in an age where you can explore your sexuality. Parang appropriate na now.
Yeah.
So it's fine.
Yeah, tsaka inintay ko lang din na may announcement or like it's parang event
Timing
siya,
din.
tinimingan ko lang din siya. Hindi yung nag-post lang ako sa
No hate to those, by
no
the way.
hate
But
talaga, no hate. Ang
it's-
pinanggagalingan ko lang is the misconception about me na
Hubadera,
ganito,
something,
hubadera
something.
na talaga. Like, pero ngayon, yes.
Yes.
And I love it.
And that's okay.
Yeah.
Diba? Like, you can't hate people for that. But I feel like kasi people have so many misconceptions about you. They don't know you're actually smart. They don't know you're funny.
Yeah, they don't know
They
I'm
don't-
smart. That's true.
Yeah. Like, I know talking to you, there's some nuances I think that people just don't pick up on eh. Diba?
You wanna know why? I
Why?
think I know why. Kasi
Why?
I
Kasi
have
sobrang
a soft
ganda mo.
voice.
The baby, the
It's a
babyish
baby voice. It's a baby voice kasi sa Tanduay, parang so ang ganda nung launch,
Mm-mm.
ang sexy ko daw ganyan.
Nag-dance ka pa,
Wag
diba?
na lang siya magsalita.
Ay.
Kasi she's
Killing
stupid.
me. No.
Sabi. Tapos naiinis
Stop.
ako kasi may questions doon. And ang ganda ng questions. Ganda din ang mga sagot ko. Tapos, well, of course, kapag may event, tapos kapag may questions, nabibrief naman kami.
Mm-mm.
Pero that time kasi galing ako sa Singapore.
Yeah, you had Wicked, right?
Oo, so like parang foggy yung brain ko.
Yeah.
Sabi ko na lang sa stylist ko,
Els.
Mama Els, bahala na lang yung sagot ko mamaya. Yes, no na lang ako. Sasabi nung handler ko, huwag ka mag-alala. Wala nang titingin sa sagot mo ngayon. Iba
Yeah.
na yung titignan nila. So, nung nabasa ko yung comment na yun, sabi ko, oo nga, no? Kasi ang tagal ng question and answer ko, 30 minutes yun. Walang nagpo-post.
Wow.
Meron pa akong answer about politics
Wow.
and everything. Walang nag-post. Totoo nga, yung suot ko lang nga yung pinag-usapan nila. So,
The
parang,
dress was so good.
thank you. It
Yeah.
was my idea din.
Wow.
Lahat yun naman.
Yeah, so I feel like there, even creatively, people don't understand that you're actually very creatively involved. And I think then, people have a hard time understanding na you can be pretty and smart. You can be pretty and also creatively. You know what I mean? Like, hindi naman one-dimensional lang yung tao. So yun, I just think I'm so proud of how you've handled though the controversy. Parang
Thanks.
kahit ano naman nangyayari, you look fresh, effortless, and everything.
Thank you.
How do you handle cancel culture? Because I know you don't clap back. Parang I don't see you do that, no?
Meron, pero parang 14 lang ako noon.
Okay, that doesn't really count though.
Diba?
Diba?
Meron ako mga nasasagot dati ng bata ako. Pero like, right now, hindi talaga. Kasi, life is too good.
Mm-hmm.
Like, how do I handle cancel culture and
Yeah,
all
like your
the,
mental health
the
or-
bashers? I don't really handle it. That's why, like, I don't make it my problem.
Really? You're so
I really
good
don't.
naman.
I don't, parang if you have a problem with me, that's your problem.
Okay, but do you ever feel, okay, this is more of a question from me, right? Because, syempre, I've gotten in also a lot, not as big as yours, but like even that, like little bits of controversy. Minsan nisip ko na ayoko na lang mag-content kasi parang hate naman ako ng tao. Parang may
Gets.
ganun akong thoughts.
Gets.
How do you deal with that? Do you not think that ever? Parang di ka ba na-affect? You're so strong
Depende
though.
kasi sa ibibigay nilang controversy
Mm-mm.
sa akin. Nung mas bagets ako, syempre nung bago ako sa industry, syempre na tatamaan ako ng konti. Lumaki ako bullied sa school.
I
Tapos
see.
lumaki ako bashed pa ako lagi.
Mhm.
Medyo hindi ko alam kung naramdaman ko yun na
Yeah.
parang wag na lang, nobody
Well,
loves
yeah.
me, nobody likes me, why am I doing this?
Because it's entertainment eh.
Di ba
you
parang
know?
sabi ko, lasan, ayaw nito. Parang wag na lang. Pero kasi, I love what I do.
Mhm.
Kaya it's important na kapag may gagawin ka, and if it's parang for the public, it's important na you love what you do.
Yeah.
Para kahit anong sabihin nila, focus ka sa goal mo. And it's important for me na meron kang sinasandalan,
Mhm.
religion, whatever. Ako kasi malakas yung faith ko kay God. Siya bahala. Tsaka, sobrang niya akong binibless.
Are you Catholic Christian? Or-
I grew up Catholic. Pero
Okay.
nag-Christian church ako.
Okay.
Hindi pa ako baptized though.
But you attend, yeah.
I attend services sa Christian churches. Pero, ayun nga, tinitingnan ko lang yung life ko na minsan nga gagawa na ako ng paragraph or gagawa na ako ng video. Tapos, hayaan ko lang muna kasi kailangan natin maging aware na emotions lang natin nun. Heightened lang tayo sa emotions natin. Tulad sa Bible, parang sobrang nahihirapan yung guy na to that time. Tapos ang sabi doon, parang eat and sleep. So sometimes that's just what you have to do.
Recover.
Parang, pag naiinis ka, sometimes you just need to party with your friends. And if you don't have that, you just
Eat.
need to breathe. You just
Yeah.
need to eat. And then marirealize mo, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Ang laki-laki ng mundo natin, yung buong universe natin, tapos ang liit-liit lang ng mga bashers. Yun lang ang kailangan mo lagi talagang isipin. It's your life.
Not theirs.
Not theirs. It's their
Yeah.
opinions, and it's for you to decide if it matters or not. Ako iniisip ko lang, doesn't matter.
And that's okay, right? We move
Parang
on.
ayaw, kahit sobrang harsh ng mga sinasabi nila, hindi naman ako robot, nasasaktan ako. And
But
normal yun.
You can control how you react.
Yes. Nasasaktan ako, and then, again, titingnan ko lang ulit yung life ko, and hindi, okay lang. I'm still blessed. Mas masaya pa rin at mas magandang maging mabait.
Because it's harder to do that sometimes.
Oo, at saka parang walang sense din minsan kasi pumatol. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo.
They'll just keep on and keep on
Like kahit maging mabuti kang tao, may magawa ka lang isang mali. Yun lahat ng titingnan ng mga tao.
Yeah.
Tapos ipiplease mo sila, sasagot, may pagtatanggol mo sarili mo, pag pinagtanggol mo sarili mo, o ganyan pa rin. Parang,
It's exhausting.
ayoko na lang, bahala na kayo, isipin nyo na kung anong gusto nyong isipin. Tsaka may times naman na ibabash nila ako for something that I did. And ano ako may self-awareness ako at may accountability ako. So alam ko kung papatol ba ako or mali ko ba talaga. Pero minsan kasi lahat sila ino-OA nila. Sobrang tinitwist na nila. Parang sa mga kunyari may rumor na malaki, 1% lang siguro doon yung totoo, 99 chika na sa Reddit.
No, I hate Reddit. I literally hate Reddit. It's so crazy because they feel that they can make up all these stories just because it's anonymous.
But you know, I have a Reddit account.
You're a Redditor?
Let me explain myself.
Ikaw ba yung may secret animosity sa akin? Na gumagawa ng kwento?
Actually, ako yung
Teka.
nagsa-start ng mga chika at parang babashing
No
ng mga
way.
artista. No. So, recently, I downloaded Reddit kasi there was a time na magkaaway kami ni Bea.
And you wanted to see?
And wala ako mapag-usapan sa problems ko. And minsan kasi ma-pride ako na si Bea lang talaga may alam ng lahat. So,
Yes.
if I die at tinanong kung ano ba talaga ako, kung gagawan ako ng biopic or whatever, it's Bea. Kailangan POV ni Bea kasi siya lang may kilala talaga sa akin. 100%.
Through and through.
Oh. So, mag-away kami noon, and then wala talaga ako mapagsabihan sa problems ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko.
So you just vented on Reddit?
I did. Kasi sa TikTok, alam mo yung mga Reddit stories.
Yes.
Na parang, am I the
So
asshole for?
here,
Parang,
22 female.
so nag-download ako ng Reddit, and that was parang 5 a.m. noon. So alam mo yung brain fog ka na, hindi mo alam gagawin mo. Download ako Reddit, doon ko nilabas. And then, ang dami nag-comment. Pero Americans, yung mga nandun sa post ko.
Subreddit or whatever.
Whatever. And then after nun, nagbabasa-basa na din ako. I don't post though, and I don't talk shit about people.
Yes.
But I
You see
read. And then, binalikan ko yung parang malaking issue ko a couple of years ago. And then, binasa ko yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao. Tapos sabi ko, that's wild.
I've seen fake stories.
That is
on-
so wild. Parang there was, Redditor ba tawag sa
Yes.
kanila? May Redditor na
More like
nagsabi doon na
troll.
parang, I was sharing a guy with my sister and blah, 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 blah.
Huh?
And mahaba yun. Tapos sabi ko, wow!
Wow.
Oh, wow! Parang sabi ko talaga, kakaiba to. Kakaiba siya.
Gawa-gawa eh.
Siya nasa, siguro nandito siya ba?
Okay.
Andyan lang yan, yung Reddit ko nga eh. Wait. Asan? See?
That's so funny. No, that's insane. Well, okay, if you could debunk though, like one controversy aside from that one.
I don't want.
Okay, just let them think na lang.
Yeah, ayoko pa. Oh, I think someday,
Mm-mm.
madami akong gusto pag-usapan.
Yeah.
Madami akong gustong i-clear out. Madami akong gustong mga sensitive topics din na pag-usapan. Kasi, I really had a rough childhood.
Mhm.
And I feel like madami akong matutulungan sa personal life ko.
Mhm.
Hindi lang sa... So, may two things ako na mga gusto mapag-usapan. Mga gustong ma-debunk
Okay.
at mga gusto matulungan with my personal life.
Mhm.
Kasi I really had it rough. Gusto ko makashare ng inspiration or hope, hopefully, someday, and mga madibang. Pero
At the right
now,
time.
At the right time.
Yeah.
Right now, let it be.
Yeah.
I'll let you guys think whatever you wanna think, and
They'll just keep, because here's the
Guessing.
thing, even if you say, they'll still judge you, right?
nga
That's the sucky part. But there, like, I think there's so many things I've learned, even at this point alone, now you're so emotionally aware or like in touch and emotionally mature. You're very, I think there's just a lot of depth to you that people don't see, syempre. But when it comes, let's say, to Lucky Beauty, right? Like, that's why I was thinking kanina na, oh, if she wasn't in, showbiz, I feel like she would really just be a creative director or a CEO. Yeah.
oh my God, thank you!
Yeah.
Alam mo kasi,
Yung kabagay sa'yo yun eh, creative director.
thank you so
Yeah.
much! Thank you!
Yun ba yung bet mo?
Alam mo, hindi lang ikaw yung nagsabi sa akin
Okay.
yan. Kasi, lahat ng mga pinapost ko yun, like yung Halloween ko, yung videos na mga...
Ikaw yun eh.
Ako yun lahat. May storyboard. Kapag nagpe-present din ako sa team ko, at sometimes ako pa nagdo-drawing ng suot ko. Alam niya ni Mama Elsa, ako nagdo-drawing. Gagawa muna ako ng mga sample videos. Tapos sinasabi sa akin, mag-creative director ka kaya soon. Tapos, kasi iniisip ko for college, gusto ko sana mag-take ng course na sobrang malayo sa industry.
Yeah.
Kasi gusto ko ng normal job.
Yes.
Parang ganun. At saka, before ako nag-artista, I was academically smart.
Yes.
Pero I was grade 3. So, di mo naman if counted pa yun.
No, but I feel like your bagay and did you know that there's Vogue University? Did you know that? Yeah, so you can go to either London or New York. That's what I'm looking into now. There's like cool.
Sabay na lang tayo
Yeah.
if ever. So, nung matalino talaga ako sa school, tas nag-artista ako, so medyo napag-iwanan ako. So, matalino ako
It's
nung grade
okay.
3 ako.
You're
Tas
smart in other ways.
Napag-iwanan na ako, so hindi na ako ganun ka-smart. Kaya, yung math ko, pang grade 3 lang din. Anyway, gusto kong balikan yon. So, gusto kong mag-take ng ibang courses na hindi related
Yeah.
sa acting. Kasi dati gusto ko, after ko mag-artista, magiging director ako and everything. Tapos sabi ko, parang ayoko na dito. Parang gusto ko mag-try psychology, yung malayo talaga, ganyan. Pero naisip ko din, after na tong Halloween, sabi ko, tapos realize ko na creative talaga ako. Pwedeng yun yung i-try kong
Yeah.
i-take na course. Like, pwede kong i-try na mag-pursue nga ng
Creative
ganun
direction.
na career.
Mm-mm.
Pero, hindi ko pa siya masyado iniisip though.
It's good though that you're already practicing with Lucky Beauty, your own content. When we saw your Halloween post, the cat one specifically, I was telling A like, damn, we have to level up next year. Like the bar just got higher. Fuck, Raph, we have to fix our video next year. Like, damn. Because, I try really hard with Halloween, but I was still so impressed with yours. I was like, oh my God, like the
you.
thought, even like the glitter over the eye to make it like more accentuated. I really
you.
appreciated those little details.
Thank
So I
you
think
so much.
you have a career in that. Yeah,
Pwede.
you should. Yeah.
Saka ako din, mahilig din ako mag-edit. Gusto ko nga din maging editor eh. Sa
Apply ka
pictures
na
though.
dito.
Pictures,
Rough.
not
Need
videos.
namin. Okay.
Ang hirap ako dati nag-edit ng videos ko kaya di ako nagbo-vlog na kasi talagang ako gumagawa ng
focused.
lahat. Nakakatamad mag-edit ng videos. So, sa pictures, mahilig ako mag-edit ng pictures. Dati, nausap pa sa Tumblr yung mga lumulutang-lutang pictures. Tapos yung parang half.
Half-half, yeah.
Ganun, like, sobrang...
In another life, you
In
would
another
work
life.
at a creative agency or an ad agency and you would pitch creative ideas. Ganun.
Nakuha ko yung idea na yon sa TikTok. Mayroon akong nabasa, sabi niya, girl, kaya baka hindi ikaw yung model kasi you're supposed to be the creative director. Parang kaya sabi ko, you know
Feel ko
what,
din.
pwede siguro ako.
Yeah.
No? I think.
Because at Lucky Beauty, I'm sure you shared already in other videos like how involved you are. I see like even Joel, they talk about it. But
Si
syempre,
Joel nag-guest na here.
yeah, he also did that. So everyone's talked very highly of you at work, and I appreciate that because I actually asked Joel. I said, when Lucky Beauty came about, is this just another artista, collab. I mean, like, to be honest, diba?
Yeah.
How many come up and what ends up happening is wala face lang sila nun. But he was sharing with me then how involved you are parang with the scents and the shades and like even earlier as we were getting ready, pwede ko ba yun i-share na you're trying an unreleased product?
Yes.
Yeah, so marami talaga na you're good at eh. I feel like people just don't see it, no?
Yeah,
talaga
pero hindi
mag-vlog
ko din
ka.
kasi pinapakita.
Mm-mm.
Feeling ko din madaming yung mga ibang misconceptions din about me. Siguro part din nun kasi ako hindi ko naman kino-correct. Hindi ko pinapakita din yung side na gusto ko ipakita. Kasi sa totoo lang, private akong tao.
You're private, but also like you share just enough.
I share to keep my relevance. I like parang
You share because you're smart about it.
yun,
You're
parang maging relevant ako. Parang nagpo-post ako para lang kikita nyo pa rin ako from time to time. Pero
Yeah.
yung mga personal accounts ko, I don't post. Ang yung dump ko, sobrang konti lang talagang tao. Sila lang talaga yung may kilala sa akin. Ewan ko, yung stylist ko minsan nagpo-post sa akin, i-post mo kasi yan. Sagutin mo na kasi yan. Tapos ako na mismo nagsasabi sa mga people around me na, hayaan nyo na. Hindi naman importante kung anong gusto nilang isipin.
just let the work speak for itself, let the
Oo.
product speak for itself. But
Tsaka binabless naman kasi ako ni God. Kaya hindi ko talaga na-feel yung need na i-correct lahat ng tao na minamaliit ako.
yeah.
Kasi may balik sa akin. So, bakit pa?
Was there any product though from Lucky Beauty that you were like nervous about before you dropped? Or every single launch you're nervous?
Wala. Confident ako.
Wow.
Pero may isang product na talagang umiyak ako sa office.
Was it the skin veil?
Yes!
Sorry, not to like bring it up,
It's
but
true,
like-
it's true. Talagang pumunta ako sa office, no? Tapos talagang tumayo lang ako doon. Tapos siyakap na lang nila ako. Tapos umiiyak ako. Tapos kinukomfort
just-
lang ako ni Joel. Kasi first year pa lang din naman namin. Tama ba? First year?
Yeah.
Second year pa lang namin yun.
Yes. Last yeah.
First year. Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi,
No, it was just a packaging issue.
ayun
Right?
nga, kasi ang ganda-ganda ng product. So, sabi
Yeah.
ko yung packaging, tsaka first time ko nakatanggap ng criticism sa makeup. Parang, kunyari, kung habang binabash ako ng mundo nun bilang Andrea Villantes, okay
Kaya
lang
pa.
tanggap ko. Pero ito kasi bago eh. Baby ko to eh. Ibang world to eh.
Yes.
So, sobra talaga akong affected nun.
I will be honest, when I received it and I did my review and it exploded in my
I'm
hands,
so sorry.
I didn't post it.
I'm so
It's
sorry.
okay because I already saw how much was like being posted. Like everyone was already so mad
Pero
about
kasi,
it.
natetest naman namin.
Yeah.
Na-test namin yon. Okay siya. Wala naman siyang ganon. Feeling namin, parang since malaking batch na
Yes.
shipment na yon. So, siguro naalog na naalog. Tapos, so pagbukas mo,
Yes.
Parang
And
ganun
also the
siya.
heat, right? It affects
oo,
the packaging.
iba kasi yung meron kami. So, parang after nun talaga mas naging tutok kami talaga. Pero ano naman yung blessing naman
Yes.
din yung mistake na yon. At saka para din mapakita sa mga consumers namin na we listen.
Yes. And you guys fix the packaging din
Yeah,
naman.
we
So,
are accountable and we say sorry with change.
change. Yun. But
Unlike, charot, charot.
I think though also,
Unlike boys, yun yung gusto ko sabihin
Yes.
na mamaya
Okay,
iniisip
sige.
niya nagpapatama ako ng makeup brand.
No.
No beef.
as a single woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, as a single woman.
Like,
I-
unlike men, kapag magsasorry sila, wala naman change. At least
Yun na
kami.
you listen and you're quick
Bite
and you're
kagad kami.
accountable. But I also think that people don't know na syempre, I think Lucky Beauty is a labor of love to you. I don't know if I think this is what I deduce because syempre I have an agency, so we work with a lot of brands, and I'm assuming that the money that you make from showbiz is still so much more than a starting brand. You know what I mean? Like in the first year,
Yeah.
you don't know if papatok ba. Like it's a
Yeah.
risk that you take with any business din naman. And so I think I give you props kasi syempre that risk you took it and it's doing well.
At saka, actually, sa business side naman, kasi nga ako yung CEO, so pinag-uusapan na yung shares and everything, syempre may konting complications yun. Tapos sinasabi ko na lang sa handler, sa manager ko that time, syempre nilalaban niya yung shares ko as the CEO. Sabi ko lang, sa totoo lang, I'm here for my passion sa makeup
Yes.
talaga, not for the money. Hindi sa kunong kikitain ko. Hindi ko nga to iniisip as a business, kasi lagi na sinasabi na dapat meron kang business aside from being an artista, kasi being an artista isn't forever. So,
There's an
dapat meron kang
expiry date.
pinagkakakitaan na iba. Hindi ko nga siya tinitingnan na ganun eh.
Yeah, because
Parehas lang sila eh.
and syempre, it's a big risk at the start, right? Like, what if people just hated it the first go because it happened to other people and then hindi bumalik yung pera? So, in many ways, that risk that you took has paid off. And I don't know, one of these days, I feel like you should do like a secret brand that people don't know it's you. Feel ko dapat
may
maganon
balak
ka.
akong ganun. Hindi
Tapos-
brand though.
Okay, yeah.
Pero meron akong parang secret. May gustong-gusto akong
nothing.
gawin.
Okay.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Medyo hindi lang din kasi siya aligned sa career ko
Mm-mm.
as of the moment. Like, kaya ko siyang gawin eh. And I'm sure kapag ginawa ko siya at ginamit ko yung name ko with it, papatok siya. Or kung hindi man siya papatok, may noise at may audience for it.
Yes.
Pero hindi nga siya, medyo malilito yung audiences ko if gawin ko siya. So, may balak akong
publicly.
gawin, ilabas, pero siguro under ibang name siguro.
Yes, or don't tell people so that if it ever comes out, they already saw the work and they're like, wow, it's such a good product. And then it's such a reveal na, oh my gosh, siya pala yung creative director. Ganon.
May co-star ako na nagsabi sa akin yan. Kasi kasama ko si Ate Bella Padilla. Nag-shoot kami sa Thailand. Tapos kinikwento ko sa kanya yung passion ko about this
Thing.
thing. Tapos sabi niya, alam mo, pwede mo naman yung gawin. Ibang pangalan ka
Yes.
lang. Sabi ko, talaga
Should,
ba ate?
you
Kasi,
should.
related siya sa pagiging calendar girl ko. Sabi ko, ate, alam mo, gustong-gusto ko itong gawin. Pero kasi magiging calendar girl ako, baka malito yung mga tao. Tapos sabi niya,
What's going on?
ibang pangalan na
Yeah.
lang.
And just don't tell people.
Mm-mm.
Now, I did want to talk because you are shifting, not necessarily from like child star to like mature roles, but as you shared, you're exploring a different path. And I saw on TikTok on the way here, I feel like TikTok listens to me. Do you feel like sometimes?
No, may agents talaga sa
Yeah,
phone
diba?
natin. May mga spy talaga. Parang,
Yeah.
parang pag-uusapan mo lang to, tapos biglang pag-open mo ng phone mo,
Dun is,
paano mo nalaman na yan yung
Literally.
pinag-uusapan namin? Parang gusto ko ng Jollibee, tapos pagbukas mo Jollibee,
may
makikita
may
mo,
nagbumukbang.
oh
Yeah.
my God! May mga Russian spies talaga sa phone
That
natin.
said, I saw this edit of like you in an action video with like Enrique. Was it?
Yes.
Is that a film that you're doing?
Teleserye
or is it
siya.
teleserye? Okay, so there. So wala lang. I was like, oh my God, that's her.
Yes. That's me.
I love that. Like you had like a gun or something.
Yes.
Okay. So I think that's very different kasi from before you're what, high school roles lang.
Mm-hmm.
So are you actively taking on more interesting roles or different kinds of formats?
Yes,
Mm-mm.
I think so. I think ngayon mas may freedom lang ako
Yeah.
mamili ng mga gusto kong gawin na
Mm-mm.
projects. At parang nakikinig lang din yung universe sa gusto kong mga gawin.
Mm-hmm.
Tagal ko na gusto maging action star. Tagal ko na gusto
Okay.
ng action na teleserye.
Okay.
Tagal ko nang nangihingi ng mga ganun-ganyan. Eto, hindi ko masasabi na super action siya.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi romance pa rin siya, pero may action siya somehow.
Mhm.
Batang Quiapo, bago ako namatay, nagka-action
Were you
scene
killed
ako.
off?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know it.
Yes. Was,
Wait, how come everyone gets killed off? Is that how they remove people from Batang or from FPJ? All those shows, they always die, no? I was talking to Denise Laurel. She
Uh-huh.
also got killed off of like a show and ganun ba? Pag
it
nawawala?
depends eh.
Parang
It
everyone
depends.
gets killed off.
Actually,
Pansin ko lang.
sometimes, it's part of the script naman talaga.
Yes.
Sometimes, no, most of the time, it is part of the script. Sometimes, kailangan maano yung character kasi may iba silang gagawin.
Yes, like Iman, do you know Emmanuel Vera? Anyway, she's one of my friends. She was on, I think, she was on Incognito or something like
Uh-huh.
that. Anyway,
Kailangan-
she got pregnant. So they killed her off on the show.
Oh, okay.
Wala lang. I just found it so funny na everyone gets killed off. That's just my realization today na ganun ba yung mga exit, no? Parang, okay,
Yeah,
dead.
sometimes ganun nga. Yung sa Batang Quiapo, ganun din yung akin.
Okay.
Kasi I had to film 2 movies.
Okay. So, what are you working on now that you're in this era of exploring? So you're doing a more romance action. Ano pa?
So, meron akong mga movie and
Mhm.
yung sa ngayon teleserye with Enrique. And yung isa-surprise
Okay.
pa.
Sige.
Pero it's, labas siya sa acting.
Ooh. And I think, is that why you have that tongue piercing and all of that?
Sa
Or-
movie.
Sa movie.
Yes,
Okay.
for the role.
Would you do theater? Would you do that? Do you sing? You sing, right?
I sing, pero
So, okay.
not theatrical.
Okay. Interesting.
Hindi
Wala
ganun
lang.
yung voice ko.
Mm-mm.
Pero I love singing.
Yeah.
I love music.
That's why. Because
I love
I just
music
thought about
talaga.
it because of your Wicked thing. And I was like, oh, I wonder if she would like,
Sorry.
I wonder if she would like do like a theater thing.
May mga nagsabi na sa akin daw na itry ko daw, masaya siya. Tapos sabi ko, di naman ako marunong kumanta ng ganun. Meron naman daw mga play na
Yeah.
hindi naman
Yes,
talaga singing.
super.
Gusto ko siya matry.
Yeah.
Siguro isa siya sa mga gagawin ko. Not now lang. Hindi lang siguro siguro next year.
May
Basta
time pa
hindi lang sa
naman.
ngayon.
May time pa naman. I just noticed that you're very confident, you know? I think people
Ay,
think
may
you're
mga TikTok
shy.
na, what makes you confident?
I think kasi people think you're shy, but I realize, it's because of your voice lang pala.
It is the voice.
Ang dami kong na-realize now na
Yeah, this freaking voice.
this baby voice. Do you ever try, okay, question lang, do you ever try to be like, with your voice, like, okay, like
when
more
I act,
grown?
when I'm paid.
Oh, yeah.
When I'm
Sorry, hindi ka
paid.
bayad dito. Check ka lang. Sorry, wala kaming TF. But I do think that because of that, it shapes people's perception of
I
you,
know.
no? And I
Pero,
think,
alam mo kasi, it's not something that I can control kasi it comes from childhood trauma.
Mm-mm.
Kaya hindi ko, akala nila pa-cute ako, ganyan. I don't have to have a baby voice because I'm already cute. So, hindi ko siya ginagawa para maging,
yeah,
hindi ko,
Babebe.
sometimes hindi ko alam na ginagawa ko na siya.
It's natural to you.
Ano siya? It's either I like you or I'm uncomfortable with you.
Okay.
Kasi,
I hope it's the
parang-
first with me right now.
Kaya, kasi parang
Sana
kapag,
naman.
tatlo,
Yung number two,
tatlong
ano?
things pala. I'm shy.
Okay.
Hindi tayo pa-close. So
Yes.
hindi ko pa alam anong,
Like, paano?
paano. Yung pangalawa is, nakakakita ako ng ate, mommy, daddy figure sa'yo.
Mhm,
Sorry,
so,
medyo ano.
yeah, no, but, and so
Daddy!
you end up,
So parang,
call her daddy pala to.
so parang, feeling ko maaalagaan mo ako, mapoprotektahan mo
Yes.
ako. Kaya, like, lumalabas yung inner child ko.
Okay, so
Or
you feel
sa-
safe.
Yeah, or parang I don't feel safe na bumabalik din ako sa pagiging bata ko. Kasi nga, I don't feel safe. So, I feel
Yes.
like I'm a kid getting attacked again. Parang ganun siya. So, hindi
Yes.
ko alam din. Pero,
It's a psychological thing though,
It
right?
is.
And
So,
I'm not shaming you or anything, but I wish people would understand that
okay lang din
there's
that they don't understand. Kasi
Yeah.
I never talk about it din
Yeah.
naman. So, it's
No, just give, I hope people would give you grace lang. And like, it's just not
It's
something
fine.
that, no, you're so strong. I feel like you don't deserve all that hate eh. Because pati voice, diba? Pati yun. But you're still so confident. Like, you're coming into like your curves. Because women, diba, we develop later. Like, then, our Asian women, we
you
develop in our
wanna know
20s.
why I'm confident
Yeah,
now?
why?
Compensation siya sa lack of wait, sorry, bulol kasi ako.
Carry lang.
Hindi na alam niyo na madaming tao. Bulol ako.
No, it's because of the tongue piercing.
Hindi, bulol
Check
din
lang.
talaga ako. Bulol ako, pero hindi siya nakahalata kasi laging scripted yung mga inaano ko. Pero kapag ako lang mag-isa, bulol ako.
That's okay.
Huwag niyo ko asarin. Anyway, compensation ko siya sa lack of self-esteem at confidence ko nung teenage years ko. I struggled with a lot
Of
of
insecurity.
eating orders,
Disorders. Yeah,
eating
EDs.
orders, sorry. Gutom, order. So, mga ED,
EDs.
body dysmorphia,
Mhm.
sobrang lala. Ayoko siya, di pa ako ready pag-usapan how dark it got for me before, but it got so dark. Tapos, nagbago na lang siya din. Na-overcome ko siya. Thank God, na-overcome ko siya. Tapos, yun, so love na love ko yung self ko ngayon kasi na-realize at nakita ko na yung worth ko, yung value ko, at kung gaano din talaga ako kaganda. So, pag sinabi ko na bakit ako confident, kasi maganda ako eh. Isipin nila
Yeah.
mayabang ako. Pero sa
No.
totoo lang, kahit ang ganda-ganda ko, for the longest time, hindi ko nakikita yon. Sobrang hindi ko nakita. Tingin ko
There's an
talaga hindi ako
inner-
maganda. As in, talagang kine-question ko din, ba't lahat ng tao maganda, pero ako hindi?
Grabe, and
Feeling
you're
ko
literally
yung
like what?
mold.
The face card of the year? Then you get like that thing?
Yeah, nakuha ko
Oo.
nga siya. So
Pag ako yun, frame dun sa bahay.
feeling ko mali yung mold ko.
Okay.
Kaya, parang song of the year ko before, I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore
Okay.
by Billie Eilish. Pangit na pangit talaga ako sa sarili ko. So, when I say na I'm pretty, nasa mindset siya. Kaya kapag may mga tao na tingin nila hindi sila maganda, talagang,
You have to speak good
oo,
things about
talagang,
yourself. So
talagang
that it,
sinasabi ko sa kanila, hindi. Nasa sayo talaga yan. Promise. You can control talaga everything, your perspective of yourself.
it's just a mental game.
Oo.
It really is.
Swear.
But are there things that you're still insecure about now?
I still have din naman. I'm
Okay,
not
normal siya.
perfect.
Normal siya.
Kahit confident ako, may
Mm-mm.
days pa rin naman na hindi ako confident. Insecure ako sa may pagkabulol ako.
Those are okay.
Insecure ako.
May I have specific ones? Like, I have a short neck.
I have a short neck as
You
well.
have a short neck.
I do.
I have a short neck. That's why I used to get trapped
I have a
off here.
short torso.
I have a short torso. Wide rib cage pa naman ako. Wide rib cage, short torso ako.
Pero hindi sila yung insecurity ko na eh. I'm insecure ako sa feet ko.
Your feet?
I
Kaya
don't
ka ba
like my
naka-boots?
feet. No.
Di ka
Pero-
naman judge. Kahit,
I don't like my feet.
okay.
Meron pa nga akong parang inside joke na talagang family privileges na nga makakita ng
yeah.
pa ako. Like, that's for my family,
Paano
my
pag
close
nag-beach
friends,
ka?
and my boyfriend. So, don't look at my feet. You're not my boyfriend. Parang gano'n. Parang, para sa boyfriend ko lang yan. Para sa mama ko lang yan. Sila lang
Your
pwede
feet?
makikita ng pa ako.
Oh my gosh,
Up
do you have extra
close.
long toes?
Kasi,
Yan, mag-rumor na
no,
naman na
lumaki
Andre
kasi
Brillante
ako.
sa
Pangit
super
pa ako.
long.
Pangit pa ako.
Is it like stubby? Is that why?
It's veiny.
Okay, that's okay though.
Basta pangit yung
You
pa
wear
ako.
a lot of heels though, right?
Namana ko yung pangit. So, it's funny kasi minsan mag-away kami ni mama.
Mhm.
Tapos sobrang lalala ng mga sinasabi namin. Tapos sasabihin ko, sa'yo ko nga naman na yung pangit na pa ako eh. Nakakainis ka. So, pangit yung pa ni mama. Naman ako yung pangit na pa
Okay.
ni mama. Yung mga koko namin din, ganyan.
Mhm.
Tapos, nung bata ako, sobra akong, di ako pa marunong magpamani-pedi, di pa ako nagaganon. So,
Mhm.
grabe ako magtrabaho, di ba? Hours and hours
Yes.
ako nakatayo. So, may makalyo siya.
Okay.
Makalyo
Oh.
ang pa ako.
That's super normal.
Pero
I did
proof naman daw yun na
hard
hard
work.
worker ka.
Yes.
So, makalyo pa ako. Tapos may pictures, minsan ginagawang profile picture yun ng ate ko.
That's so funny. It's okay. My
sa
sister,
contact number.
I call my sister Stump Thumb because her thumb looks like a tree stump. So, sobrang short ng nail. Like,
Alam ko yun yung mga
So,
maliit
yeah.
na-
so it's like, wow, in-out pa yung sister ko. But, but it's normal.
So, yun, insecure ako sa pinaka-insecurity ko siguro yung pa ako. Tsaka, before my height,
Mhm.
kasi I'm small.
But you don't look small in photos because of
Kasi
your
nga,
proportions.
I think I was supposed to be tall.
Wait,
Kasi my proportions,
arms.
my arms and my legs, they're long. Feeling ko talaga, I was supposed to be tall, pero I started working at a very early age that it stunted my growth.
growth.
Yun
Yeah.
ang theory ko.
And Charfer doesn't work. Like,
Yan nga, tsaka like yung mga ilaw nga, sabi,
Yeah.
ang mga ilaw namin dati sa trabaho, nakakapandak daw. Kasi grabe, iba pa yung ilaw before.
yeah.
Iba na din yung ilaw now.
Yes.
Dati talaga, parang masusunog ka sa ilaw. So, yun ang sabi nila, nakakapandak daw yung ilaw ng mga
Mm-mm.
cinema lights.
Because they
Cinema
weren't
lights
made
daw.
like this now. What's your take though on getting work done?